No, oh, no save file. I guess I can't play then, can I? Great. There go my plans. Oh, it's making one for me. Good. Maybe I am doing commentary, I don't bloody know. My throat's better now that I've had a drink and something to eat. But still, if I feel like uploading it, then I can always convert the stream footage. Kaisil Plateau, Planet Veldin. Whatever that is. Whoa, that was a good start. He's got a big grin.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system.
I thought that was him talking.
Using help desk technology.
Oh. Yeah. The sound check's not too important because I'm not recording it, but I can turn it up if I need to. Robots! It's like a Looney Tunes cartoon. A midget bot. Whoop. Camera eyes. Oh my god. I'll just put that in my belly. Apparently. It's just like a Disney movie or something. At least that's kind of the feeling it gives me from that bit. Approaching Planet Veldin. I thought we were already there. Star Wars! Oh great. I suppose I'm going to get stuck with him. He's going to crash right next to me. Well, close enough I guess. Because I'm probably just going to teleport there magically, because it's a cutscene. Wait, how can he see it? The ship obviously... Whatever. I don't know what he was reacting to.
Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk. We are here to offer you advice during your interplanetary travels. The Help Desk is a free service provided by Gadgetron Corporation.
Thanks, Gadgetron Corporation. What is he even? A lemur? Options, because it gives me more options in-game than it does on the main menu. Like a very silly... Subtitles on. I don't know why every game defaults to subtitles off. They're very handy. Oh. I need to invert that, right? Yeah, I need to invert them. Because when I want to look right, I want to hold right. As in I want to hold right to look right because it makes sense. These are Lombax. Oh. Fictional. That's alright then. I picked up a bolt. Everybody needs them. Yeah. I wonder who in their right mind would play with reversed X-axis. This is very noisy. I'll turn it down. Oh. Well, I'm glad they apparently upped the radius of picking those up in the later games. Which I haven't played, but I tested. Oh, fall off. Oh, good, they come back up. Oh wait, no. What an idiot. Where did that bolt come from? Oh. My internet is, I guess, in a good mood today then. Unless amazing was sarcasm. Yay.
You can interrupt help desk messages by pressing...
Oh really? Thanks for telling me. I'll make good use of that. Frog! Why did frogs drop bolts? They are not made of metal.
Gadgetron's Omni-Wrench 1000.
Why? Oh, it picks them up. Yummy.
That's now.
It's health. Oh great, multiple path syndrome. Multi-kill. It's so satisfying. Even if the sound does get obnoxious. Wait. Get off the mountain. Stop being Captain Kirk by climbing a mountain. Oh! That's a rubbish range you've got there, buddy. Oh wait. Oh, I have it. Flob. And I think this is that game that has like 30 weapons, so that should be fun.
To use your bomb
No, I already learned.
You can also use it in first person by holding down the L1.
I don't know why you'd want to use that in first person. It's unnecessary. This game is so noisy. The nuts and bolts let you buy stuff, like new weapons, and I guess upgrade them as well. Ugh. Barster. And to anybody who wonders, I am responding to someone who is out of the chat, as in talking to me outside the chat. Just to prevent confusion, in case you think I'm seeing messages that you're not. Oh, interrupted. It's a gun! No, oh wait, no, I thought it was a laser gun. I already forgot what the little robot looked like. Ooh! Oh. Don't look up his butt.
Interesting. You're quite handy with your wrench.
That's what she said.
You bet.
What?
Built that ship with it.
Currently I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system.
Found him.
Do you know where I might find that fellow?
No.
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
What do you mean, all this? You only said it once.
Hello, citizens of... My race, the blog, have a small problem.
The blog?
Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here.
Don't they
But
write
I,
blogs?
Chairman Dredd, have a solution.
Your head is
We
naff.
are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components
Nothing.
Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But of course,
okay.
sacrifices must be made.
Yeah, I get it.
Thank you for your cooperation.
It's alright.
And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snub-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my...
No!
Still on?
That does it.
Turn it off, you idiot!
Well, I wasn't going to kill you before, but now that you've said that...
People on those planets are hoes. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Yeah, he's a twat.
You could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
He can't. He can't.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
How convenient.
So I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Metal Gear Solid cutscenes. They go on forever.
Deal.